Hello, you all, and welcome to CECAR News. CECAR University's program name will change from English Bachelor to Modern Languages Bachelor. CECAR News, a new era for language studies. Welcome back to CECAR News, where we bring you the latest in updates from our vibrant university. Today, we have exciting news for all language enthusiasts and future professionals. Starting next academic period, CECAR University's STEAM English Bachelor program will be officially renamed to the Modern Languages Bachelor. Let's find out why. This change reflects the program's evolution. While it has long been known for its solid foundation in English language and literature, the new Modern Language Bachelor will offer students an expanded curriculum with courses in multiple languages, including French, Spanish, and German. Graduates will have the skill to succeed in the globalized world. If you're ready to take the next level of your if you're ready to take your language studies to the next level, now's the time. For more information, visit our website and be part of this exciting new chapter at CECAR University. CECAR University, shaping global citizens one language at a time. Bye. Thank you.